Want to finally understand all the types of fractions fast? Let's go! Proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is more than the denominator. Improper fraction can also be expressed as a mixed number. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators. Unit fraction. A fraction with a numerator of 1. Repeating fractions. Fraction that convert to decimal with repeating digits. Algebraic fraction. Fraction with variables in the numerator, denominator, or both. Negative fraction. Fraction with either a negative numerator or denominator. Mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Improper mixed fraction. Mixed fraction that are not properly simplified. Equivalent fractions. Different fractions that represents the same value. Complex fraction. Fraction where the numerator or denominator or both is itself a fraction. Great job making it to the end! If this helped you understand fractions better, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy math videos. See you in the next one.